Okay, we're in good shape there. Yeah, it's still just snug. All right, so I'm gonna click design. That gets me back, and let me think about what we're gonna do next here. I'm gonna turn off our demolished demo. Let's see, we want existing new. There we go. Save my model, and all right. So I guess that's it. You know, like really, we're going to. I filled out all the, checked all the boxes there. We kind of got it back. So I think this is pretty much where I wanted to take it. I don't think I'm going to go any further with my design without showing them this. I just want them to kind of see that, yeah, it's possible. It's just snug. I wouldn't do it. So, all right. We're going to go back into layout, and we're going to open from this this project folder. We're going to bring up, let me check. This one is layout file. This is our existing conditions. Let me hit open again, and then we're going to open up our proposed. There we go. All right, and then we're going to go to File, Document Setup. So I just made all these changes. Actually, this is a good time to archive. All right, so let me show you how I archive. I've made some changes to the model, and don't get me wrong, we're using Zoho Work Drive. So we're using Zoho Work Drive. So we always have these backups. So it's a fail-safe. But let's go to Visualization Projects, and this is gonna be Hicks HQ. All right, so let me look at View and then go to Details. So I just right-click in the white space, hit View, and go to Details. So now I can see all the different. I just like to look at them in details format, because then I name files in such a way it makes it really easy to understand. And so we've got option A, option B, all this stuff. I'm just going to archive it all. So I'll just right click on it and choose send to compressed zip folder, like that. Takes just but a moment to take a snapshot of your project where it's at. And I like this method much better than the Rev versions of keeping revisions. So this one I name year, month, day, day. So 2003, what is today? The 4th. All right, so 04. So year, month, day, day, like that. And then I just drag it into the archive folder, and you can see we have another snapshot of our project right where we're at. And now we can just go on and continue saving, I just think this is a much safer way of archiving. All right, so now I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to select our out-of-date reference, and I should be able to just hit update, and we should see our plan update. That's, if everything's going just as smooth as we want it to, we should see all these walls jump. There we go. And there's our new updated plan. So I think I'll just fire this one back at them, and I might just make a few tweaks here just to make sure it's nice and clean. And I'm still kind of not sure on how creative I want to get on this one. Whether we spend a lot of time designing right this second. Let's think about it for a moment. So one thing I need to do is back these desks up. I don't like the way they're sitting like so close to the wall there. And so I'm just going to go in here to our desks and take a look at where we're at, and see they're right on the wall. So I might just move them off by 3 inches, and then I'll hit save, hop back in here, and on my references, I can just hit update, and then you'll see your desk jump back into place like that. So that's how fast the reload and all that works. And we'll give that a moment to render, and then we're going to save this as well. All right, so close that. Oh man, yeah. So we got our couches. We're going to scoot those. Let's get that done. Yeah. So this is where then before I reload again, I'm just going to kind of look for a handful of different mistakes to correct, or adjustments to make. So like this, and I like to make it just perfectly 3 inches off the wall. I can leave this end table, scoot it just a little. Yeah, this one's a little goofy. All right, like that. All right, so what else do we have in here? You know, we could move this desk 3 inches off. That would kind of help. So we'll move it like that, 3 inches. And then these are fine. Bar, I'm still not sure about. I think that's going to have to expand over here, but I think I'll move this chair down, try and get it to squeeze into that office. So maybe I would take this chair, move it like almost into the office, and then get this, you know, just to kind of, it's just not like a ton of room. These are, you know, the actual couch dimensions. I'm just going to undo that stuff I just did. Just leave it kind of like that as it is. And this should go in there. All right. So snug, and I think we're good there. So I'll just save this one more time and then hop back in here. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you are going to love our tutorials.